In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload and pay invoice in bill.com tutorial. This walkthrough will help you take an invoice from a file on your device into bill.com. Fill in the key information, save it, and then open it from your saved bills so you can move toward payment. To begin, log in to your bill.com account. Make sure you are using the correct workspace or company profile if your account has more than one. When you are logged in, you should land on your main dashboard, where you can access the tools for entering and managing bills. Spend a moment confirming you are in the right account before you start uploading anything, because invoices are tied to the specific vendor and payment workflow. Next, go to the Bill section and select Enter Bill. This is where bill.com provides the form and actions needed to record a bill properly. As you navigate there, look for the menu labeled Bill, then click the option that says Enter Bill. This step matters because it places you in the correct screen for creating a bill entry rather than placing you in a different workflow such as requests or payments. Now click Upload to attach the invoice file. You will be adding the document so bill.com can associate the details with the invoice you are entering. Choose the file from your computer or storage location and wait for it to finish attaching. If the upload requires a moment to process, give it that time so the document is fully connected to the bill record. After the file is attached, you will need to enter the required vendor and invoice details. On the screen, find the section where the vendor information is requested and provide the vendor name that matches the invoice. Then locate the invoice fields such as the invoice number or invoice date and enter the correct values based on what is shown on the document. Take care with these details because they are used for matching and for processing payments later in the workflow. Once you have filled in the required information, click Save. This step creates your bill entry and stores it in your account so you can find it again. Before you move on, confirm that the page responds correctly, such as showing the save confirmation. If you notice anything missing, you can usually go back and correct it before you continue. Now that your bill is saved, you will select the saved bill from your bill list. Go back to the bill area and find your saved items. Select the bill you just created so you are viewing the exact record you uploaded. This is an important moment because you want to make sure you are working with the correct bill entry, not an older draft or a different invoice. Finally, click Create Bill. This action finalizes the creation flow, so the bill is set up in the system as the bill you intend to manage and pay. After you click, wait for the system to finish loading the updated bill view. When it opens, you should see your bill details reflected in the record that is ready for the next stage in the process. And that covers everything you need to know. You can now upload your invoice file, complete the vendor and invoice information, save it, locate it in your bill list, and proceed with creating the bill in bill.com.